You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly in English. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here, so it's going to be pretty easy. If you want to learn more correct pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. Build is how it's pronounced. Build. How to pronounce build, a verb in English. English pronunciation, to build. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.